Bitcoin Cash is up over 13% on the day. Looks like Bitcoin Cash is getting ready for something absolutely massive. Today, we do a deep dive on the #1 most trending token on the day. But before we do, I gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. While you're at it, guys, check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. The download link in the description box below. Best Wallet allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. With the Best Wallet, the smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Again, it's a non-custodial wallet, especially at a time like this. Get your money off the centralized exchange using non-custodial today. Link in the description box below. They also have a token on pre-sale right now. It's ending on November 28th. So definitely take advantage of the pre-sale, as this one has raised over $17.3 million. And in 5 days and 21 hours, it's set to go live. They have a ton of features for holding, like reduced fees, early access to new project, higher staking rewards, community governance. That's very cool, especially if you already use the wallet. Definitely check it out. Both will be linked in the description box below. Now, back to Bitcoin Cash. We're seeing Bitcoin Cash having a pretty interesting day. Up over 13% on the day. On the week, up about 7%. On the month, up 12%. And the year, up 14%, which is not too shabby when most cryptos have been in the gray. All right, Bitcoin Cash posts a strong 12% intraday. Moving momentum accelerates across large cap alts. BTCH retraced earlier in the session, but recovered sharply, breaking above the 520 zone and sustained strength into the 530s. What stands out is its volume. Over $1 billion in traded in 24 hours, up more than 130%. Even right now, guys, up over 84% at 1.08 billion. Okay, indicating renewed participation after a quiet consolidation period. The price structure shows a clear shift from a slow bleed to a steady trend reversal, supported by rising liquidity and broader risk on conditions in the market, with circulating supply near its maximum and BTCH historically reacting strongly during the macro upswings. The current move appears driven by a combination of technical recovery and rotation into higher liquidity assets. Holding above 520 keeps a short-term bullish structure intact. A breakout above 550 could open room for continuation. Losing 505 to 510 would signal weakened momentum, and we're on the brink of breaking the 550. The question comes, how high could this go, right? Also, BTCH making a couple of big headlines, right? When we're looking on the news side of things, we're seeing MF International raises $500 million for Bitcoin Cash treasury strategy. The funds will be primarily used to acquire Bitcoin Cash and establishing digital asset treasury operations, with the remaining proceeds allocated to working capital and generating corporate purposes. Okay, so it looks like they want to double down, and they're raising over 500 million to be buying Bitcoin Cash. Looks like it's been on the radar. So it's an article from Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust updates index trading platform. So BIT removed from BCH USD pair. No new platforms added to monthly review. Current platform including these platforms over here. UCC trading pairs include bullish, BitBuy, Kraken. Okay, so again, the headlines are coming. People are talking more and more about this, and we're seeing finally a breakout after some time. BCH breakout after months of lower highs. Bitcoin Cash finally smashed through its descending trend line, and again, obviously getting the investors very excited. We're seeing some formation, some technical patterns drawn out here, as everyone seems to be rather bullish to see where this one goes. Could it repeat history and go back to once its previous all-time high, back what we seen in 2017, or even what we saw back in 2021 last cycle, reaching over $1,300? I guess only time will tell. A lot of people were worried the market, we're going to the end. But again, now we're starting to see a little bit of renewed optimism, even with a negative day. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. As I'm not a financial advisor, therefore none of this is financial advice. Guys, if you enjoy watching these videos, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.